Start by washing the chicken. Go ahead and season the chicken. Add some garlic and ginger powder. Add some thyme. Go in with some seasoning powder. Next, add some black pepper. Add some salt. Mix thoroughly. Cover and marinate for 45 minutes. In a bowl, add a cup of flour. Add some seasoning powder, salt and black pepper. Mix thoroughly. Coat each piece of chicken with the flour. Heat up oil in a pan and deep fry. Fry until golden brown and remove from fire.